Have you ever felt like you're your own worst enemy? You set a goal, you're all fired up, and then you do the exact opposite of what you need to do to succeed. You procrastinate, you make excuses, you get distracted. Sound familiar? If it does, you might be stuck in what's called the self-sabotage loop. It's a frustrating cycle, but the good news is you can break it. So what is this loop? It all starts with a trigger. This could be a new opportunity, a big goal, or even just a fear of failure. This trigger activates a core belief you hold about yourself, often a negative one you're not even aware of. Maybe it's, I'm not good enough, or I'm bound to fail. Anyway, this belief then leads to self-sabotaging behavior. You might procrastinate on that important project, pick a fight with a loved one right before a big event, or overindulge when you're trying to be healthy. These actions are a way for your subconscious to protect you from potential disappointment or pain. It's like your brain is saying, see, I told you you couldn't do it. It's better to fail on your own terms than to try and be let down. After the self-sabotaging act, you get a short-term reward. Procrastinating gives you temporary relief from the pressure. Eating that whole pint of ice cream feels good in the moment. This immediate gratification reinforces the behavior, making it more likely you'll do it again next time. But then, the long-term consequences kick in. You miss the deadline. The relationship is strained. You feel guilty about your diet. This failure confirms that original negative belief you had about yourself. See, I really am not good enough. And just like that, the loop is complete, and you're primed to start it all over again the next time a trigger comes along. It's a vicious cycle that can keep you feeling stuck and powerless. But here's the most important part. You are not powerless. Breaking the cycle is absolutely possible, and it starts with awareness. The first step is to simply recognize when you're in a loop. Start by identifying your triggers. What situations or feelings tend to lead to your self-sabotaging behaviors? Is it stress? Fear of judgment? A feeling of being overwhelmed? Once you know your triggers, you can start to question the underlying beliefs. When you hear that inner voice saying, I can't do this, challenge it. Ask yourself, is that really true? What evidence do I have? Often, you'll find these beliefs are just old stories we've been telling ourselves, not facts. Next, you need a new plan. Instead of falling into the old behavior, consciously choose a different, healthier response. When you feel the urge to procrastinate, try the 5-minute rule. Just work on the task for 5 minutes. That's it. More often than not, you'll find the momentum to keep going. If your trigger is social anxiety, instead of canceling plans, maybe you can agree to go for just 1 hour. Small, manageable steps are key. And finally, celebrate your wins. When you successfully break the pattern, acknowledge it. This creates a new, positive feedback loop. You're teaching your brain that facing challenges leads to feelings of accomplishment and pride, not just relief from anxiety. Breaking the self-sabotage loop isn't an overnight fix. It takes practice, patience, and a lot of self-compassion. There will be times you slip up, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Each time you recognize the pattern and make a different choice, you weaken the loop's hold on you. You're rewriting your own story, one conscious choice at a time. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, give this video a like and subscribe for more content on building a better you. See you in the next one.